Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist here with the overnight outlook. You can see right now not much going on here in the Roanoke Valley. This is a radar scan of the Blacksburg radar from GR level 3. It's a GR level 3 radar, and you can see just a few showers down here. Nash County, Franklin County, Wake County down here in parts of North Carolina. And then you can see a little bit of precipitation here near the Triad region, but nothing really going on here in the Roanoke Valley. We may see some sprinkles, and like overnight we may actually see some light freezing drizzle, light freezing rain, but nothing that will cause too much of a problem on the roadway. Maybe bridges and overpasses at the worst. Freezing rain advisory is in effect, but you can see temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, 39 Bristol, 34 Wytheville, 34 Galax, 34 Blacksburg, 37 Roanoke, 41 Lewisburg, 36 Hot Springs, 36 Lynchburg, 37 down at Smith Mountain Lake, 34 in Danville, and 36 in Martinsville. National temperature profile: 57 Los Angeles, 50 Seattle, 36 in Denver, 33 Salt Lake City, 28 Santa Fe, 22 Tulsa, 32 in Houston at freezing point. They've had some issues with snow and freezing rain. 35 Memphis, 41 New Orleans, 38 Atlanta. Beautiful 71 degrees at the 8 o'clock hour down in Orlando. 37 Roanoke, 33 New York City, 22 Bangor, 29 Minneapolis. Current satellite, we have an upper level low back here. All of this cloudiness over the Roanoke in Triad region. It's all moved to the north and east. We might have some interesting ice scenarios showing up here north and west of Washington, D.C. and parts of Maryland and southern Pennsylvania tomorrow morning, and a few little spots in the mountainous areas along the Blue Ridge in the Roanoke Valley. No severe weather to talk about. Like I said, we upper level low sitting here over Arkansas, and that's going to move to the north and east. The other issue, we also have generalized thunderstorms, but we're not going to see any severe weather. It looks for the next 2 to 3 days. After that, we may have some interesting situation down across the southern United States. Something to keep an eye on with our next approaching storm after this little bit of rain. National hazards: winter storm warnings back here in Oklahoma, winter weather advisories across the areas of the Ohio Valley, flood watches down here in Georgia, freezing rain advisories here north and west of D.C. all the way down the Susquehanna Valley. Shenandoah, not Susquehanna. Shenandoah. Susquehanna is further north. They have to actually get another winter storm, winter weather advisory. Shenandoah Valley here in Virginia. Synoptic map. You can see where you get lows occurring right now and upper level troughing low. You can see that will move up, invert it low. We'll go over to the state of New Jersey, and then continue to move out through Monday as the next low will start to crank itself up and move in. You see this low will move then to the north and east. May have some interesting weather in the interior northeast. High pressure then builds in prior to the next storm, and this could be interesting as it goes towards the Carolina coast and then cranks itself up and goes up the coast. This may be an interesting situation when we have the probability then of snow. Will it be out to sea? Will it be close? Yesterday the models were showing it in a great position. It's a little further out on the GFS, and I'll show you the models, but GFS has naturally done that all winter. We have to keep an eye on it. This may be a significant snowstorm, and we have to keep an eye on. So I'll show you the models, and then just stay with us every day and for updates here at liveweatherblogs.com. Latest GFS, you can see as this thing goes along, and it'll go along going towards next week for the next storm, which will start in Texas. Watch that area really closely in Texas. You see the troughing going on there. That's what's going to start the low. There it is. Starting to pop up. This solution is showing an OTS for an out to sea. This is a lot different than what I was showing yesterday. This is why you have to watch it out. I mean, cold air would be right to the coast would be great, but the problem there would be the low would be, this would affect eastern North Carolina, eastern Virginia, and then nothing in Delaware Valley. Really pretty far out to say that, especially when we had the models, the Euro and the GFS matching up yesterday. For some reason, the other models I'm trying to get are having a problem uploading onto the wall that I use for my source for the computer models. Okay. Freezing rain advisory, this is Roanoke Valley, less than 1/10 of an inch, mainly in highest elevations and in sheltered valleys. So, it's going to take a lot to get in good icing. Watch out on bridges and overpasses. But by morning, by 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, it's going to be getting way above freezing, and anything that does accumulate will melt. That's not much ice. It's going to just be slick and possibly in spots. So if you're traveling between the hours of 12 midnight and 5 in the morning, that would be the time we'll most likely have an impact. And that spotting that shows up really well here. We're talking about peaks of Otter having some issues. Here's like Bent Mountain. You really don't see it in the lower parts of Roanoke County at all. Just a little bit maybe on Poor Mountain. And then south of the Roanoke County, where Bent Mountain goes around, you might have some issues in the highest elevations near Floyd County, near Franklin County, but you're not going to really have any other, it's not picking up anything really good in the icing categories here. And then you have your winter weather advisory here, northwest Burnham County up through the north and west suburbs. The freezing wave advisory here in Baltimore and north and west of Washington. And what we're going to have there is some interesting ice and snow mixture. And there's some issues here, 1/8 of an inch, 1/10 of an inch snow. Not much really in the snow department coming up here tomorrow. Here in Delaware Valley, more or less, it would be any kind of freezing rain and sleet. And you know this winter's odd. When we're getting snow down here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, DFW 2 inches, Fort Worth 4, downtown Dallas 5, and you can see just a scope of heavier snow up here, Waco 2 inches. I just look at that, and the Super Bowl's being played in the Dallas area, Arlington, Texas, and we actually had a report just come in that 7 people were injured by falling ice at Cowboy Stadium at Super Bowl. Take a look at here at the Super Bowl forecast. We have Super Bowl weekend tonight, 16, very cold in Dallas area. 41 Saturday, 44, sunny on Sunday for Super Bowl Sunday. Then when people are traveling home, 45, 56 to warm up. So for the Roanoke Valley forecast, 41 overnight rain, maybe mixed with some freezing rain in the highest elevations. 33. Showers likely in the beginning of the day on Saturday. 47 degrees. 30 on Saturday night. 49 Sunday. 51 on Monday before the temperatures come crashing down. And chance of rain, snow showers on Tuesday. In the Triad, rain overnight and Saturday. 35 overnight, 48 Saturday. 28 Saturday night, watch for slick spots at night. 53 Sunday, 56 Monday with chance of showers before the temperatures come crashing down. 44 the temperature on Tuesday. In the Triangle, rain overnight and Saturday, giving way to clearing skies. 50 degrees on Saturday, 55 on Sunday, 58 on Monday before the temperatures come down, 47 on Tuesday, 21 on overnight on Tuesday night, and a cooler day coming up for Wednesday. In West Virginia, rain overnight, 33, chance of rain, snow, sleet mix. Saturday, 38, 22 Saturday night, rain, snow, and sleet mix. Sunday, 44, Monday, chance of rain and snow, that will close through Monday night. Chance of snow, all snow, on Tuesday night, and Wednesday. And for Northern Virginia areas, in the Shenandoah Valley, 32 degrees, freezing rain tonight. Rain likely on Saturday, 36. 39 on Sunday, chance of rain Monday and Monday night, then giving away to mostly sunny skies, cold on Tuesday with temperature around 33. So we have a storm which will cause a little bit of disturbance in the Delaware Valley, and we have a freezing rain advisory in the Roanoke Valley. It's a few spots, maybe some icing. Everything will be gone by tomorrow morning in the Roanoke Valley. And we'll look ahead to the next storm. So stay at liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest weather information. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison.